In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an image as a plane in Blender using the Images as Planes add-on. This method is an excellent way to incorporate images directly into your 3D projects, and it's straightforward once you know the steps. Stick with me, and we'll walk through it together. To begin with, we need to ensure the Images as Planes add-on is enabled. Start by opening Blender and navigating to the top menu bar. Click on Edit and then choose Preferences from the drop-down menu. This will open up a new window where all of Blender's settings and add-ons are accessible. Here, you want to focus on the left-hand side of this new window and click on the Add-ons tab. This tab is essentially a treasure trove of tools and features that can enhance and extend Blender's capabilities. Next, we'll use the search bar at the top right of the Add-ons tab. Go ahead and type Images as Planes into this search field. You should now see a specific add-on appear labeled Import Export, Import Images as Planes. Check the box next to this add-on to enable it. This step is crucial because enabling it gives Blender the functionality to bring in images as flat objects directly into your scenes. Once you've checked that box, it's important to save these preferences. Look for a button at the bottom of the window that says Save Preferences and give it a click. By doing this, you're ensuring that the add-on is enabled every time you restart Blender, saving you from having to repeat this process again in the future. You can now close the Preferences window and return to your main Blender workspace. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, importing your image. In the 3D viewport, which is basically your main stage where all the magic happens in Blender, you'll want to press Shift+A on your keyboard. This shortcut opens up a menu giving you quick access to adding various objects and elements to your scene. From this menu, look for the option labeled Image. Hover over it and you'll see an additional menu pop out to the side. Select Images as Planes from that list. After selecting Images as Planes, Blender will prompt you to choose which image file you'd like to import. Navigate through your computer's file system, find the image you want to use, and select it. Once selected, your image is instantly imported into your scene as a plane. This plane retains the dimensions of the original image, making it a perfect fit for renderings, background environments, or even references for modeling. And there you have it. With your image successfully imported as a plane, you can now manipulate it just like any other object in Blender. Whether you're adjusting its position, rotating it, or scaling it, the possibilities are vast. This method not only saves time, but also integrates images seamlessly into your creative workflow. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blending.